What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and finally we have the Turbo GMC wrap reveal. So right on the other side of this door is the truck. Well, guys, like it or not, here is the wrap. I know some people are obviously not gonna like it. Some people might actually really like it, but either way, this is the wrap. If you can see by the panning motions, the cinematic I did, we did keep this side, the factory painted flares. We just reinstalled them. On this other side, we'll walk over here. The front flare is wrapped. Probably not a real good shot, but I don't know. Originally I thought definitely wrap them, but now seeing them either way, this back one we did not wrap either, but I think it might actually look better not wrapped. So some contrast on there. There's a very bright, bold color, obviously, and I think it might actually look better with them not wrapped. We can always pull them right back off and wrap them if we decide to. We did get the windows tinted at the same time on the front. Eventually we'll probably get the rest of the back completely blacked out. They have the factory tint and they look pretty good, but we'll probably black them out, which will help with the reflection in the front. But We obviously had the bed off too, if you were following along, and we blackened out the frame, touched all that up. That looks really, really good. I don't know, it's very different. Definitely updated or I don't even know if it updated. It totally changed the look of this truck for sure, 100%. Looks like a totally different truck. We're not done. That's part of the reason I decided to go with these flares. So we'll pull the wrap off the other flare, and we'll keep it factory body color on the flares. We are going to get some graphics made, and we're going to try and match that metallic silver, whatever you want to call it. The original color is carbon metallic. So we're going to try and match that as close as possible and get some stuff going on back here. I think we're going to go turbo GMC, with the O in turbo being an actual turbo, kind of like the old Grand National-ish look. And we may even do a panel on the hood too, just to kind of blacken or not blacken, but this same color panel in this recess of the hood. So the center of it will be this color too. I'm not real sure with that yet, but definitely we're going to get something back here. And obviously I've showed this a couple times, but I did put stickers on there and wrap over them, and I really, really, really like that look. But overall it turned out pretty good. Totally different truck now. The wrap is not perfect by any means. I think it looks pretty good, but I am still learning my wrapping abilities here. But it went on pretty decent, and we have definitely some extra, so we can do any touch-up that we need to do. The corners of the bed kind of fault me pretty good, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. We're not by any means completely done the update look on this. We're going to do something with the wheels and tires. We already put the Hummer centers back on the front. I am going to get some I think 1.5-inch wheel spacers. I can run the Hummer center caps on the back too, and that'll even out the look of the offset of the wheels front to back to track with. But other than that, I think we are gonna end up updating the wheels and tires also. I think that'll be a much bigger improvement to kind of match the new look of the truck. And if we end up obviously wrapping excuse me, the fender flares, we will probably wrap the bottom part of the fender. I think it would look odd right now wrapped without the fender flares wrapped. So this is a textured finish here, so we can't really wrap it. You can, but it just looks really, really weird when you do that. So that would break that up anyway. But I don't know, you guys got any ideas on what to further do, whether you like the flares wrapped, unwrapped, any other opinions you have of it? I'm sure, like I said, I'm gonna get some hate. Some people are gonna absolutely hate the look of the truck, some people are gonna love it. So either way, let me know. I do realize, guys, it's taken me quite a while to do this, and we're just kind of doing it on our spare time, so that's why it's taken a while. We're not in any big giant hurry. Everything was kind of shut down anyway, so yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, before I get to questions, we are still going to wrap the roof. I just got to pull the headliner and pull the XM satellite and the OnStar antennas off the roof so that we can get it wrapped, but we are still going to do that, so we didn't forget that. This truck does look, I'm sure camera is going to make it look totally different than in real life too. So if you see this truck out, hopefully it looks better than on camera, but sometimes it actually looks better on camera to some people and worse in real life. But either way, it is what it is. And keep in mind, guys, this is a wrap. It is absolutely 100% totally reversible. It just pulls right back off when we're done. Thanks for stopping by. I hope at least some of you like it. Have a good day.